Hello there. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Holly and today we are still in the laundry room and we're gonna get going on some of the plumbing here. Okay, so I know it's been an absolute hot minute since I've done anything in the laundry room, and I've gotten more done, obviously, since my last filming, but not a whole lot. I got everything primed and painted. I got the bookshelves all stained and polyed and installed. I'll show you those later. And today I'm going to work on the plumbing. The guy who's going to do the propane line to the dryer should be here in a couple weeks, in the next couple of weeks, hopefully. I was hoping he could be here this week, the week of New Year's, but he's actually closed down for this whole week, which is great for him. I'm not complaining about that at all. But from the beginning of November all the way up till Christmas, I literally did nothing in this room at all because I was so busy. I was crocheting 2 Afghans, one for my daughter, one for my son for Christmas, and a pair of tipless gloves for my daughter's boyfriend, and a tray and for keys and wallet and stuff for my daughter's boyfriend. Anyway, and I just did nothing else but that. I literally was crocheting every night and all weekend long from the beginning of November until Christmas. I finished one of them. And when I say finished, I mean the crocheting was done. It is washed and blocked. I finished one on December 23rd. I finished the other one on December 24th. So, yeah, I was cutting it down to the wire. But anyway, during that whole time, I, would look in this room that was just sitting here doing nothing. And my new washer and dryer still not hooked up. And I got to thinking, and the more I thought, my original plan had been to put shelves here, big shelves for the big plastic bins for camping gear and stuff like that. And the more I thought about it, the more I thought, no, I just need to get rid of some stuff elsewhere in the house so that those things can go elsewhere. I still have my 2 sets of shelves here in what used to be the closet. I think I've showed you that in a video, putting those shelves in and putting everything up in there for all my hiking gear and some of my van gear. But not all of it fit there, and that was my plan, was to put some of it here in shelves. But during this time when I haven't, in the last 2 months when I have been working on this room, I realized, you know what, I really would love to have a utility sink. I mean, I really, really would. Come home hiking with muddy shoes, I can just take them off right here, throw them in the sink, and, get them cleaned up after I've, unpacked everything. Wash the dog if I need to. I mean, I'm not a huge proponent of giving dogs baths because it sort of disrupts their natural skin system they have, with their oils or whatever. And so it's very rare that I have to do that. Let's see, but anyway, just the utility sink. So a couple days before Christmas, I ordered this utility sink, and it came in the day after Christmas. I put it all together. It's just sitting here. I need to do all the plumbing for it, and that's what we're going to get started on now. So let's get going. So it's here. I obviously haven't hooked it all up yet, but it is sitting here. And I do have the water lines in. Let me see here if I can. I do have the water lines in through, if you can see there, I have them in through the crawl space, and I've put the first section on to the corner, And right now we're going to continue the water line over to here where I'm going to put the T's in for connecting to the sink. So let's get started on that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put the piece of hose between the valve and the T. So this is all one unit ready to go. I don't want to do these too terribly long. These are last length. Okay. Once that's done, I kind of need to squeeze this back into a round shape. So we get the shaping. There we go. I don't know if I got this in camera or not. It's always a balancing act for these things. Okay, cold one's gonna go here, hot one's gonna go there. The reason I'm doing these on the outside instead of inside the wall is this is an outside wall. Not only is this an outside wall, but this is coming in from a crawl space that's going to be cold as well. So I just don't want the lines freezing, which I'm afraid is what would happen if I didn't. Let's see. There's something down in there. Out. Get a Q-tip and clean that out. I want this sticking out a little bit. Good. Okay. Now. This is easy to do because it was just a straight piece that I bought. No curved. In hindsight, I should have put this, I should have connected these two to an L bracket before I connected to here, because I can't get the crimp tool around there really good. Okay. I should pull up some. I need it printing. We're good. Yep. Okay. Okay. I need to get this. Oh, that hurt. I need like 4 hands for this. I need to do it upside down. Put it this way. Okay. I got the wall too much. I can't get in there to get my elbows out. I need some of this one. Whew, let's take a break on that for a minute. I just can't get in there with it. There we go. I think I got it. Whew. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take a little break because my arms are sore after that. Okay, so I'm trying out a cutting these at a 45-degree angle with an old, oh my gosh, I can't even think of the word, triangle I have. And I want to put the foam around here because my water comes out of the well freezing cold. And in the summer, the cold lines can really sweat a lot. So trying this out. I think I'm getting it. I don't know. Oh, wait a minute. This is gotta go this way. I'm obviously not gonna concern myself too much with which way the opening is. I just want to get them on there and have them all sort of line up well. Oh, this is not really doing well. That's not lining up too well. But maybe what I do is just cut that corner piece off. All right, so let's start by taking plastic off of this and getting this on there. Of course, this is only 1/2 inch stuff, and I'm trying right here to stick it to a 3/4 inch pipe. So that may be part of the problem here. Oh, it's a little too long. Maybe I can cut it more this way. I think with this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it all the way to the end of this pipe and yeah, just cut a little hole in there to slide a piece down over that. That's what I'm going to do. Whoa. Oh, please tell me my camera didn't break. Oh, shit. Okay. All right, so I don't know if I've got enough room to do that. Let's see here. Oh, that's good. Let's see here. Okay, so that's that way. Okay. I don't know, I'm sort of winging it here. That one's on the inside, and that one's on the outside, and this needs to be on the inside. Okay. figure this out. First, I really need to heat this line a little bit so I can get it so it's not so curved. Maybe a blow dryer will work. Heat it up some, get it straightened out. Okay, so I got it to straighten out just a little bit. I'll get it more once I get this one clamped. Oh, there. This one's going here. And this one's going about here. Okay. Whew, okay. I'm going to be putting clamps to hold it in place here and here. Anyway, but I need to get this whole elbow on before I attach it to the wall. So if this is this way, this is right there. It's hard to hold this all in place. I already moved it. That one I want sticking out, but this one I want up straight. Okay, that one. Oh, I need to heat this up more. Okie dokie. You know what? I think I'm just gonna add the rest of the hose and just have it way long, and then I'll figure out where I want to put the actual connectors. Okay, let's see here. We are going to put these in. Okay, I think I'm going to use a screwdriver rather than a drill. Again, I have to be a contortionist here. There we go. That's a little bit too. There we go. Alrighty. Okay, I think we are done for right now because, well, I don't know. Yeah, I think we're done for right now. I need to figure out, yeah, I need to figure out a couple things. I need to cut that standing pipe because that's a bit too tall. Anyway, that's it for right now. Okay, so I've put the sink back in place for now, so I can get the right measurements and angles on all the drain pipes. But the first thing I have to do is cut this a little bit because it was cut uneven and it's a little bit tall. Oh, now it's even more uneven. Blah. I don't really know how to cut this. Okay, let's try sanding it down. that's not too bad. Do a little bit more on this backside. Okay, that's pretty good. That's fairly flat. Okay, so here we are on January 31st. I've completely forgotten about this video that I had started to edit, and now I don't even know if the editing is finished, but I'm tired of it sitting here, so I'm throwing it out to you. It's probably way too long. My apologies for that. Meanwhile, the plumber came and could not put the gas line in, the propane line in for the dryer because apparently my pipes in my cellar are those like corrugated ones that are covered in yellow, and they're no longer to code, so I have to have the iron piping put in. And so I'm just waiting for the estimate for that, for them to put that in, and then they can put the propane line in for the dryer. They have already switched over the dryer from natural gas to propane, so that part's done. Yeah, so we're still like not doing much here in the laundry room. Yeah, this is turning into like, I don't know, it'll soon be a 2-year project. All right, well, thanks very much for watching. If you managed to make it all the way here to the end, that's impressive, because it's probably more than I could do right now, because I'm just tired of looking at this video stuff. So, all right, have a great day. Bye-bye.